Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Priceline partner account to list your hotel or property, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Priceline Partner Network website and click on Become a Partner or Sign Up. Step 2. Create your partner account by providing your business email address, creating a password, and entering basic company information. Step 3. After registration, Priceline will send a verification email to your business email address. Check your inbox for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 5. Log into your Priceline partner account and navigate to the property setup section. Step 6. Enter detailed information about your property, including the official business name, property address, contact information, and property type. Step 7. Upload required business documentation such as business registration certificates, tax identification numbers, and proof of property ownership or management rights. Step 8. Provide bank account information for receiving payments from bookings. This typically includes account number, routing number, and bank details. Step 9. Upload property photos and create detailed descriptions of your rooms, amenities, and services offered. Step 10. Complete the verification process by responding to any additional requests from Priceline's partner verification team. This may include phone verification or video calls. Step 11. Wait for Priceline to review and approve your partner account. Once verified, you can start receiving bookings through the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.